Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to check your Spotify Wrapped 2024. To start, open the Spotify app on your phone or your PC. Once you have Spotify open, you should look for your Wrapped playlist. Typically, Spotify Wrapped is available shortly after the year ends. However, even after the official release period, you can still access your Wrapped playlist. If you want to find your Wrapped playlist, go to your library. In your library, scroll down until you see the Spotify Wrapped section. Here, you will find your top songs for 2024. If you do not see it immediately, you can also look under the Made for You section. This area contains playlists curated based on your listening habits, including your Wrapped songs. Remember, even if the official Wrapped feature has ended for the year, your personalized playlists are still available to enjoy. That is how you can check your Spotify Wrapped 2024. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.